Welcome everyone to this brand new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Hooked Inc, in which you can get free unlimited gems, and this modded version also gives you a free store mod. And the best part about this modded version is that it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. And the best part about this video is that later in this video I'll be showing you some steps that will allow you to download this modded version of Hooked Inc into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices for free, right guys? So what is this modded version? This modded version gives you free unlimited gems and a free store mod. So what is a free store mod? Okay, well, like free unlimited gems is that as many gems as you want for free. But what is a free store mod? So let's say if you had the normal version of this game and you wanted to buy gems, you ran out of gems and you wanted to buy gems, you would definitely go to the store and definitely click on the packages of gems. But in the normal version, the packages of gems would have costed you real money and you would have to pay that to buy those gems. But on the other hand, in this modded version, if you ever run out of gems and you go to the store, all the packages of gems will cost you $0. That means you will not have to pay anything to buy those gems. And this way you will be able to buy as many gems as you want for free. And since they're all costing you $0, the more you click on them and the instant you click on them, that particular amount of gems will be transferred to your personal gems. So look at that. 8,000 gems, 20,000 gems, 3,000 gems, 800, 300, 40 gems, all are costing $0. So no matter on which one you click, that particular amount will be transferred to your personal gems. So look at that. I just clicked on one. I have like about 567,000. No, sorry, 67,000 gems. So let me just click on another one. There you go. Now I should have 67,141 gems. Okay. So now let's click on this one. Now let's look at it. It is 67,141. So it is not changing, it is constant, which means no matter if I go on spending it, it will never be used. So this is what it says. So that's how this modded version works. So you can just keep on adding in, the amount will stay constant in your personal ones, and if you spend these gems, your personal gems won't be affected and your amount will stay constant. And this is how this modded version works. It is amazing and it is insane, and it is the best modded version for this Hooked Inc, and probably a modded version which you've never seen before. And if you're a new user, if you're like a new player to this game, if you're like new to this game, you should definitely try out this mod. It will give you a head start and it will give you like it will be a stepping stone for you in this game. And like if you're an existing player, you should definitely try this out for some additional fun and some additional, I would say, terror in the game, because with this unlimited gems you can purchase all those things that would normally cost you a lot of money on the normal version, which you are unable to buy. Because to save infinite amount of gems, well, you cannot save infinite amount of gems, but you want to save like a lot of gems, you'll have to like spend a lot of money, or if not, you'll have to play that game for a long time. But with this modded version, all that effort and all that money is just converted to nothing and free, and you just click on these packages and you are on the roof. That's it. That's how you do it. So an amazing modded version, and the best part is that it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. And the best part about this video and me is that I will show you how to download it on any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. Good enough, right? Yeah. So this is the Hooked Inc++, the modded version of Hooked Inc, which gives you free unlimited gems and a free store mod. So nothing surprising, but everything enjoyable. Well, I don't know what that means. I just said it for no reason. But anyways, buy whatever you want to. Maybe someone else has paid for you. So this is the game icon right underneath the wallet icon. What I'll be doing over here is that I'll simply delete it so that I can show you how to install it again, and we'll go through it together. Boom, there you go. Now the first thing you have to do is locate and open the big gray settings icon of your phone and hit open the settings of your phone just this way. And step number one is that you have to go down to your battery settings and make sure that your low power mod on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices are turned off. This is step number one, which is for both Android and iOS devices, in which you have to make sure that your power saving mods are off on either of your iOS and Android devices. Once you've done step number one, simply exit your battery settings and go back up to your general settings. This is step number two, which is only for iOS devices. Go to your background app refresh inside your general settings and make sure that your background app refresh is on Wi-Fi and cellular data and on nothing else. Right, and on nothing else. This is step number two again, which is only for iOS devices. Once you've done step number two, move to step number three, which is for both again iOS and Android devices, which is that you have to go to your browser settings, and in my case there's Safari settings, and go to your privacy and security sections in your browser settings, and make sure all cookies have been unblocked by turning off the option that says block all cookies, because if your cookies are blocked, your downloading process will be affected. So unblock them and simply close your settings after these 3 adjustments, and then hit open the browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked, right this way. And into the search engine bar of that particular browser, type in tweaksky.top. So type in tweaksky.top into the search engine bar of that particular browser, and once you type that in, click search, and you'll notice that a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way, and this list contains a lot of cool stuff. But if you can't find anything in this list, go back on top of the page and into the search bar, type the name of the thing you're looking for, in this case Hooked Dynasty, and there you go, I just found it. Hooked Dynasty Plus Plus, it says free store mod, all items in store are for free, unlimited gems. So if it's signed or not revoked, you can just go and install it by clicking here and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button. Now remember, there is no need for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And the only and the primary reason I've fast forwarded the video over here is to make it short, because the injection process may take up to a few minutes, however not too long. And remember, once the injection process finishes, you will be asked to complete this one last easy step, so don't worry, I'll show you how to do it. It's an easy one. So basically I have to install 2 apps on the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now I'm being offered a wide range of offers over here, out of which I have to complete 2, and definitely I'll be completing 2 easy to follow the instructions, and my first one is going to be Norton Secure VPN. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Now remember, these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store in case you're using an Android device, so they're 100% safe to use. Now they've instructed me to run this app for 30 seconds, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be sure that I've properly completed the instruction, and would advise you guys to do the same as well. And remember, once you complete your instructions, simply close everything and return to your injection process page and go on to complete your offer number 2, and for me it will be present. So I'll have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds again, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side again. And remember, these extra apps may occupy some space in your phone for no good reason. So once your app or game is downloaded, you may delete them afterwards, only when your contents are downloaded. And once you've completed both your instructions, simply close everything and return to your home page, and you will notice that your Hooked Dynasty Plus Plus will have been downloaded just the way in these few simple steps, like it has been downloaded over here for me. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another video. Until then, enjoy Hooked Dynasty, and cheers.